I checked out openSUSE Leap 15.6 and 16 in 2025, and honestly, both have their strengths, but the choice depends on what you're looking for. Leap 15.6 is more mature and stable, with long-term support and a proven track record. It's great if you want a reliable system for work, servers, or daily use, without worrying about frequent changes or compatibility issues. Leap 16, on the other hand, is newer and brings updated packages, kernel improvements, and more modern software. It's appealing if you want the latest features, better hardware support, and don't mind occasional adjustments or minor bugs while things settle in. The interface and basic setup feel very similar between the two, so it won't be a huge jump in usability, but the package versions and under-the-hood improvements differ. Both versions have strong community support and solid documentation, so getting help or finding tutorials isn't an issue. The real decision comes down to stability versus cutting-edge updates. Overall, if you prioritize rock-solid reliability, Leap 15.6 is a safe bet. If you want newer software and are okay with minor tweaks along the way, Leap 16 could be worth trying. Either way, openSUSE continues to be a solid choice for Linux users in 2025.